This parrot named Chico. I don't know if you guys saw this. This parrot named Chico. Here, I'm gonna introduce you to Chico first. So Chico's 9 years old. There it is there. It's at a zoo in the UK. But this parrot has a very special gift. I'm amazed by parrots and their ability to mimic. Okay, so listen closely. Did you hear that?
Yeah, singing.
Yeah.
What?
That's Beyonce. Okay, here's another shot.
Oh my
God, that parrot's like an opera singer.
No. Like, it is absolutely...
The vibrato and everything.
On point. It is absolutely... What? If anyone has a parrot at home, I've never had a parrot or a bird, but this I find is just so remarkable how they're able to mimic.
So my aunt had one, and it would mimic speaking, but I have never seen one sing.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like if I tried to sing that song, I would sound more like this. This is what happens when sometimes I have some wine and think I can sound like Beyonce, but that's probably what I sound like.
Do you have what's so funny about parrots is because their eyes stay like sort of permanently open.
Oh my God,
This is a different parrot.
They're beautiful, but I find them so freaky.
This is a different parrot.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's when the record gets stuck, right?
What sort of magic is this?
I just love it. I'm like absolutely amazed.
It must be just the Beyonce songs. It must be like the tone.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I mean,
there's a lot to work with.
It's pretty amazing.
There's a lot to work with.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.